Okay, good afternoon, students. So today we are going to see the first part of the chapter. First, that is data storage in computer system. In that, we are going to see the difference between the memories or parts of memories that is given on page number 6. Okay, so let's start how to identify the memories. Okay, how do we identify the memories? So what is meant by memory? First, we have to understand. Memory means, here you can see all the files and folders, they are stored in memories. So here is example of hard disk, okay, or hard drive. This hard drive, you can see they have shown 547 GB free, or you can observe through the properties also like this. You have to right click on the hard disk and you can check out the different memories. Okay, once again I will repeat how to check out the memories. Right click on any folders or hard disk, hard drives, okay, and you have to click on properties. Through the shortcut menu you can check out the properties. Okay, so here you can check out the used memory. They have given 10,352,435,2000 bytes. They have converted into GB, that is 9.64 GB, and free space they have given 8,8885,784,576 bytes, that is converted into GB, that is 8.27 GB. Okay, so always the smallest memory is bit, but the Windows 10 operating system only shows the it start the memories from the bytes. Actually, microprocessor language and the basic hardware language and always start from the bits. Computer start the memories from bits, but now it is a previous version. All versions are outdated, so the outdated versions always shows the memories in bits. But now the Windows 10, all the operating system is updated. Okay, our hardware system is completely updated. Right now we are working on the R5 model. Okay, that is i5 model we are working right now. So i1, i2, i3, i4, i5. So i5 models are Windows 10 operating system, always updated in bytes. Okay, so byte here is the smallest unit. But previous version, they always show the bits in memory. Okay, so here you can see the hard disk is showing the blue color line, that showing that these memories used up to 9.64 GB, and this black color shading that indicate that 8.27 GB is completely free space. Above blue lines that indicate completely used memory 9.64 GB, and this black shade indicate that 8.27 GB is free space. Okay, so this way you can check out how much memory that you are available in one hard disk or any folders. Okay, for example, let's check out the memories of folders. Now we have checked the memories of all this. Let's check out the memory of pen drive also. Okay, here also you can check out 1.2 GB, 1.10 GB is completely free of 3.72 GB. Means total pen drive is 4 GB. Okay, it requires a programming instruction to 10%. It will reduce. So 3.72 GB out of 1.10 GB is used memory in the pen drive. Okay, you can also check through the properties, through the graphics also you can check out your memories. Okay, here you can check out used memories 2.62 GB and free space 1.10 GB. Also convert same memory in bytes also. Okay, so these indicate that how much memory you are used and how much you have left to use. Okay, so this is called as a basic data storage units. Okay, all files and folder indicate the memories in bits and bytes. Okay, because computer understand only this language, this bytes language, that is binary language. Whatever you have given to the computer system, whether it is a folder, whether it is this hard disk, all these hard disk part, hard drive parts, or whether it is pen drive parts, all parts are converted into bytes. So that is why if you click on any, if you go in properties of any folders or hard drive, you will get bytes. That means all file folders are converted into bits and bytes. Okay, so this is called as a data storage units to indicate the memory, how much you have a free space and how much you have left for space, free space. At the same time, how much memory you have used. This blue line or blue shade indicate this much memory you have already used, and this blank space indicate space free, that is 1.2 GB, 1.10 GB. Okay, so free space here we can see 1.10 GB. Okay, so this blank shade indicate 1.10 GB is free, and this 2.62 is used memory. Okay, thank you. This is called as a storage unit of memory. Okay, so files, pictures, folders, they are always showing GBs, documents. Let's check out the pictures. Picture folder always show in the MB. You can see this picture folder, it is having very low memory. Okay, lowest memory is byte, then byte, megabyte, like this. Okay, so here we have converted this memory into megabyte. Okay, so always it indicate the file folder in basic bytes, and after that it will convert it to megabyte. Okay, like this. And again, if it is required a higher memory, then if operating system required a higher memory, or that file folders or hard disk required highest memory, then you can see the same hard disk will take into GBs. Same hard disk you can check out, that will be converted into GBs. Here you can see, because it is having a highest memory. Okay, but this picture is having a very low memory, small memory, and that is why it is showing the memories into MBs. If you have low memory, it will show in bytes. Greater than byte, it will be MB. So first, it will 4 bits, it will be converted into 1 byte. 8 bit will be converted into 1 byte. Then 1024 byte will be converted into kilobytes. And then 1024 kilobyte will be converted into MB, like this. Okay, in increasing order. You can check out the charts in the chapter 6 also. That is page number 6 also, sorry. Now let's see the kilobyte memory. Yes, if you check out the empty folder, if you have created, you will get the same memories in kilobytes also. So we have created the empty folders. Right click on desktop, click new and folders, and here you can check out the memories. Right click on the folder, please go to into option of properties, and you can see 0 bytes. Okay, so we will add some Excel or Word file. Let's see the memory. For example, we have created presentation file. Again, we go the properties, and you can see the memories they have given in kilobyte. Okay, so empty they will give in byte. Again, Microsoft files having some higher range of or higher size of memory, so it will be converted into kilobytes. So 26.5 kilobytes. Okay, so this kind of way. If it is, again, you will go in a high storage memory. For example, video, you can see, or downloaded folder, then same you can see kilobyte. Here you can set the pictures, and same icon will be again converted into memory wise, it will be converted. Okay, in the right corner, please Here you can check out in right corner, you will get this option. First, we will convert all into icons, and again we will convert that same into memories like this. Okay, this is called as a tile option. So we have converted all file folder into memories. Look at this, kilobyte, kilobyte. If it is having highest memory, then again same file folder will be converted into 62,268, 2 kilobyte like this. Okay. 796 kilobyte. Okay, now let's check out some highest memories in the hard drives. Please check out. Same hard disk is in GB because hard disk having the highest number of folders and files, videos, etc. So it will be in a GB. Okay. As you increase your size of memory, as you increase the files and folder numbers, videos, audio, the size will be increased. Okay. So this way you can check out your memories. That is data storage units you can check out. Okay, thank you very much.